Preparing your home for sale through a real estate agent in Florida involves several important steps to ensure it attracts buyers and sells quickly. Here are 5 easy steps to follow. First, declutter and clean. Start by removing personal items and excess belongings to create a more spacious and inviting environment. Deep clean every room, including carpets, windows, and appliances, to make your home shine. Second, make minor repairs. Address any minor repairs such as fixing leaky faucets, patching up holes in walls, or replacing broken tiles. These small fixes can make a big difference in how potential buyers perceive your home. Third, enhance curb appeal. First impressions matter, so focus on the exterior of your home. Mow the lawn, trim bushes, plant colorful flowers, and consider repainting the front door. A well-maintained exterior invites buyers to see more. Fourth, stage your home. Consider staging your home to highlight its best features. This can involve rearranging furniture, adding decorative touches, or even hiring a professional stager. The goal is to help buyers envision themselves living in the space. Finally, set the right price. Work with your real estate agent to determine a competitive and realistic asking price. They can provide a comparative market analysis to help you understand the local market and set a price that attracts buyers while maximizing your profit. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to preparing your home for a successful sale in Florida. Consider selling your home in Gainesville, Florida. Contact Siri Blumberg, your local real estate agent.